Good morning, this is Keith All, and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about a Power BI functions, two of them called upper and left DAX functions. And to give you an idea what we're going to do with these is we're going to go over to the table view and then go over to the customers table and customer country. What we want to do is, let me pull this down. You'll see these are the current values in this particular column. What we want to do is extract the first three characters from each country and then put them in uppercase. Now, of course, USA is already there, but Canada and Mexico isn't. So this is what we're going to do. Let's go back to the report view and let's look at the syntax of these two functions. First of all, the upper function in Power BI is used to convert text strings to all uppercase letters. And the syntax is basically the function name upper, and then you pass it in a required argument that specifies the text string you want to convert to uppercase. Now, it can be a reference to a text column in your table or a literal string value enclosed in quotation marks. And what does it return? The upper function returns a new text string with all characters converted to uppercase. Now, non-letter characters like numbers, spaces, and symbols will remain unchanged. Now, the other part of this function that we're going to be using to create this uppercase three-letter country name is we're going to use the left function, and it returns the X number of characters from the leftmost character in the text string. Now the syntax to that is the name of the function is left, you pass it in the text, and then the second argument is the number of characters. Now the text argument is a required argument, and it specifies the text string from which you want to extract the characters from. Again, it could be a reference to a text column or a literal string value enclosed in quotation marks. The second argument to the left function is the number of characters. Again, this is a required argument and specifies the number of characters you want to extract from the beginning of the text string, meaning this text string. Okay? So to get the result that we want is we're going to create a column, a calculated column called short country. And we're going to look at the customers table, customer country column. We're going to pass that in to the left function, and we want to extract the first three characters from the left of this text column. And then after we get the first three characters, we want to turn those characters in all uppercase. So let's go ahead and create this column. And Control C. And then let's, again, there's many different ways that you can create a calculated column. Let's go to the report view. Oh, we're already in it. Let's go to the table view. And then let's go to the new column up here. This is one way to do that. Now let's paste this formula up here in the formula area. Then press enter. And as you can see down here, it created a column called short country. And if you scroll up, here's the column now. Let's click on the filter, and you can see now what the values are of all these in this column. So it converted. It took the first three letters of the country column, converted it then to uppercase. So let's go over here. Let's go over to, let's see, where's the country? Bear with me, give me a second. Here's the customer country. And as you can see, these were the values in that column that we used. And now let's do this. Let's deselect this and let's just select Mexico, for instance. So it's going to filter the table just by Mexico. Let's scroll over to the right, and now you see the short country took the first three letters of the country column and then converted it to all uppercase. Let's go back to the report view. So that is a way that you could use two functions in conjunction with each other to get the result that you want, the upper function and the left DAX function in Power BI. Hopefully this tutorial was that you can understand clearly what they do, what it returns, and how you could use it on your end. I want to thank you for stopping by today. You have a great day. Remember to like and share this video. And also please subscribe to the channel so you always get updated when a new video comes out. Thank you. Have a great day.